So this is Connor Steinbrook. I just pulled up to the property here at 3887 State Highway 34. It is Friday, June 30th, 2023. I have yet to get out of my car yet. I'm just going to give you a video of what I see when I pulled up. In a situation where I really don't know what to do here. Unbelievable. Don't even know why that would be broken off. Just making sure he didn't cut wires. He did. Look down there. He disconnected the plumbing. Unbelievable. This guy is such a bad guy. Look at that. You can see it. I'm gonna have to walk this whole property and make sure that he didn't cut wires and all this type of stuff. That's disconnected. That's under the sink. And then all that plumbing is supposed to run under there. So he literally disconnected it. So I'd actually put a brand new trailer skirt on here when he moved in here. It was part of the agreement, I think, if I remember correctly. This is unbelievable. This used to be nice mowed, nice green grass, like a pretty nice little property. I'll have photos. It looks like he broke the window or something. This guy's gonna need to go to jail, just to be honest. Okay, that's interesting. He did this on his own. This was never like this. He literally cut a door into the side of the trailer home. When I gave this property to this guy, it was pretty much a complete mowed yard, nicely trimmed. This nice mobile home on it. It was all, we had it painted. We did some updates to it. It was a clean backyard. This thing was not here. Now this trash was here, and he did all of this. I'm actually impressed, just to be honest, that someone could do this. This is unbelievable. It's gonna be thousands and thousands of dollars just to clear this yard. First thing I want to do is I'm just going to touch all the stuff out here at the curb and around and in the back. I'm not going to touch anything in here. I want to film this so you can see I'm not touching anything in here, because I know this dude, he's going to try to say I took that 30-year-old golf club that nobody wants and somehow I took something from him. So I'm just going to document this. I will be cleaning this out. This is just the outside so far. So I was walking down the side yard, sneak in the window of my own house. These guys look kind of nice, but they came running out at me about to attack me. It's wild. They're hanging out with this guy over here. You guys okay? If you come at me, I might have to knee you in the face though. Just kidding. But they were passed out in the side yard and I came running around. I spooked them. Yeah, good puppy. You got some fleas and some stuff, guys. There you go. You guys come with the house? You guys my new puppies? Yeah, look at these new puppies. Look at these guys. You guys are wild, but you guys are not. You guys are good in the heart. This is how you break into your own house. After a couple wild dogs broke into me. Let's see if I got the flexibility to do this. Now, that's what I'm talking about. This is how you want to take a rental back. Except, what the hell is this?